what's on the cars?
What's up guys, The Wrench here. I'm about to head out to Monterey, California to go to the Allenberg Racing School. We're gonna hit the road first thing in the morning, bright and early, probably about 5 in the morning is our target time, I think. So stay tuned, we're gonna take you along for the ride. I'm going to the Allenberg Racing School. I'm gonna drive Formula cars for 2 days at Laguna Seca. Should be a great time, can't wait to experience it and take you guys along for the ride. All right, so we just made a quick pit stop. We decided to try to check out Neptune's Net. Some of you guys might know from Fast and Furious, the original one, kind of the OG spot. We decided to take the coast, go through Malibu and all that, just a little car week tribute because there's no car week this year obviously, but still doing the coastal drive as we head up to Monterey. A little cloudy, but yeah, we're too early for that, so back on the road we go. So Brittany's first time going through Big Sur. We found this little pull off. Pretty cool. What do you think, babe? First reactions?
I think it's really pretty. Super pretty. I wish there were more live animals.
Yeah, I'm sure there are a lot of live ones down there.
Well, that you can see.
Yeah. But unfortunately, it's a little smoky today. Some weird things. Visibility sucks. But hopefully, as we go further north, it gets clear. Let's go.
One eternity later.
All right, so it's about 6:30 in the morning. Just woke up, got a good night's sleep last night. Got in about 6 o'clock, about, I don't know, 10 hours on the road because we took our time. But it's a little cold and foggy. Hopefully the track's a little bit better, but we're gonna head that way right now and find out.
Babe, what's on the cars?
It's ash.
Ash?
Look at this.
Oh my gosh, look at the sky. So orange and brown. I can like see it in the sky, like as it's still falling.
It's a real healthy air quality today.
Oh gosh. Where are we going today?
We're off to Laguna Seca to go race some Formula cars. Here we are, Laguna Seca. Bam. Race day. All right, we're here at Laguna Seca. As you can see, corkscrew behind us. The sun's looking a little red and it's fire season, so hopefully that doesn't affect us today, but we're gonna give it our all.
So Michael just went in and started Allenberg Racing School. We're here at the track. It's so smoky and ashy. I don't know how they're gonna race with all this ash falling. There it is, but we'll see. Good luck, babe. Love you.
All right, so first fast session in the books. The grip is insane. Got a couple places I'm gonna pick up speed. Just got to get on the gas a little sooner in a few areas, but you can see somebody in this session just went off, so tow truck's out. But other than that, I mean, still smoky as ever. The ash actually gets in your helmet and your eyes, so kind of watching out for that. But yeah, on to the next session. It should be an open session. See what we can do. See if we can cut our lap times down and make it cool.
Hey, what's up? We are out here at Laguna Seca at the Corkscrew, the infamous Corkscrew. As you can see now, we have some of the race cars going by. Mike is actually out here right now. He's about to pass us. I'll turn to him when he does. Here he is. Someone else trying to catch up, but you know they never will.
So day one's in the books. It was really ashy out on track. It was hard to see in some places. All the ash was blowing up in my helmet, But other than that, great day on the track. Got a lot of time actually driving in the car, which is awesome compared to other schools where you have a lot of classroom time. There wasn't really that here. It was just all hands-on learning. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Sweepstakes 27 is officially alive. This is the 10th GTR we've given away since 2013. Pure performance, pure power, pure luxury, pure reliability, all in one package, and it can be yours. Just head to speedsociety.com, grab your favorite gear. We just dropped a ton of new stuff. Check it out and stack those entries.
Day 2.
Okay, we're here for day 2. We're getting ready to push the limits a little bit more. We should be going faster on track, higher rev limits. We heard on the news last night that the track was actually going to be used as an evacuation center for all the surrounding fires. So hopefully that doesn't limit our track time or our racing, but we're going to head to the track, see what's going on, and get as much seat time in as we can. Okay, so starting out, you're going to come across the start-finish line. You're going to stay to the left. It gets a little bit more bumpy on the right side. You're going to aim to the third telephone pole on the right. Stay wide. Once you get there, you're going to aim for the TV boost, and then stay wide through the first part of the corner. Stay to the right of the black square in the asphalt. Turn in, clip the curbs, all the way out to the curbs on the outside. Coming in, you're going to quickly on the brakes, use the curbs on the inside. The curbs on the outside are not too necessary, but into the next corner, you're going to just barely lift and then back on the power all the way down so you get a good exit and a good run into your next corner. This next corner is pretty forgiving because it starts to go uphill, so you can take it pretty fast, use all the curbs, and then up the hill you go. Right here, you're going to quickly touch the brakes to shift the weight and then turn in and stay pretty much flat up the hill. And now we're coming up to the infamous corkscrew. So you stay there. Once you get to the top of the crest, brake hard, turn left, aim for the third tree, down the corkscrew you go, run it all the way out, over the little black spot in the asphalt, and then here you're going to stay a nice line, use all the curb here, all the way out to the outside of the track. And then here, same thing, use all your curbs, get a good run. And then this next corner is very important. You're not as important on braking, but you want to get a good exit speed so you get a good run down the straight. So as long as you set yourself up for a good run down the straight and carry as much momentum through you can, you should have a pretty good lap time. All right, day 2 is a wrap. School's done. Got my certificate of completion. It's gonna get mailed to me. Got to fill out the racing form stuff, but amazing times. I think it was pretty much the fastest guy out there by about 5 seconds. So I'll take that. Had a blast in these Formula cars. And they're only 150 horsepower about, but they corner insane. So much fun. Only one spin, and it was something stupid on an out lap. Just trying to test something new on cold tires. So we'll call it a win. See you guys back in San Diego.